Today, we're going to show you how to download, install, and set up Garmin Express for use with your marine device. In this video, we will be using a Windows computer, but the process is similar for a Mac. First, open a browser and navigate to garmin.com/express. Then, select the download button. Once the file has downloaded, click on the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation. When the installation is finished, select Launch Garmin Express. Once open, select Add a device. On the bottom half of the page, select Sign in. You can now sign in with your Garmin account. This is the same as your active Captain account. If you do not have an account, select Create one and fill out the information. Once signed in, we will begin the setup process. Select Next. Now, set the vessel name. This can be the name of the boat, chart plotter, or device, and it is not case sensitive. Select your location and then press Next. From here, you can update software, add, update, or download charts, and can manage your devices. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.